Hey everybody, hope you're good. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, thank you so much for watching one of my videos. So I wanted to do a really quick brow testing video. So what I wanted to do was actually test something that I think I saw somebody do it. It was a random day where I was just like scrolling through YouTube, and I saw this girl put a product on her brows that made it last. I think she used like a typical brow pencil just to like fill in her brows, and after she put the product like the sealant, and she then rubbed her brows, basically the product that she used on her brows made her brows last all day. So normally when I do my brows, I use a typical brow pencil. A lot of my brow products are cheap. This is just a Primark brow pencil. I think it was like £1 or £2. My normal brow pencil, the one that I love to use, is from Revolution. It's the Duo brow pencil. It has it's automatic, so you can wind it up, and it also has a spoolie on the end, just like this one. So that's what I've used to do my brows, and I wanted to test out whether or not the product that she used would actually work on my brows as well, because I would love to have like smudge proof brows. As good as this brow pencil is, and as good as my Revolution brow pencil is, if I do rub my brows, they will come off. So I try not to touch my brows during the day, and most times I succeed. But there's been 1 or 2 occasions where I've come home with like half a brow and nobody said anything. So yeah, it hasn't been bad, like not like completely rubbed off, but where like the tail has gone or something. So I try to avoid situations like that. So I thought I would try a similar product to what I saw her use. So it's from the same brand, but this product is actually supposed to be for your lips. And I remember this product from an old hack ages ago. So the product I'm talking about is the lip coat. It's like a lip sealant, and it's this product. I've had it in my stash for so long and I haven't used it, because the first time I used it on my lips, it did work. And what it does is, I think it's mostly alcohol based, so it does dry out your lips, so you can put any type of finish of lipstick on your lips and it will seal the color. So what you're meant to do is apply any type of, if it's like a satin or a glossy lipstick, apply it, blot to get all the oil and shine off, and then you will put this product on top to seal it, and that lip color stays for ages. But the side effect of this is that it does make your lips dry, so I wasn't really too comfortable with that. I mean, it's fine if you have like lip gloss to hand, or if you don't mind the dryness, but it was a bit too dry for my lips. My lips are going through something right now. They are constantly dry these days. So I thought I would do the same thing for my brows and see if it lasts. So I don't know if this is going to work, but I thought I would try it for the first time on camera. So I have done one brow. I'm going to do the other brow. So this is the product I normally use, between this and my Revolution brow pencil. So I thought I would fill in half my brow off camera just to speed things up. Okay, so my brows are even enough, I guess. So I'm in the middle of recording another video. I thought I would try my hand at batch filming today. So my brows are done and I haven't done anything else to them. So what I'm going to do is apply this product and see if it actually keeps my brows in place. So you do need to allow it to dry, and since I'm not using it for my lips, I figured I might as well put it to use somewhere else. I don't think it was that expensive. I'll leave the price on the screen, and I hope it is still being sold, because people don't talk about this. I remember, was it maybe 2 years ago or so? I think this was like a new trick or hack that quite a few people made videos to. Or maybe it was even further back, I don't know. But I think I got mine 2 years ago and it's still been in my collection untouched. So I'll use it for my brows rather than let it waste. So I'm so scared. Right, so let's apply it and see what happens. I've never done this before, like I said, so I don't know if it will work the same way. And obviously once I've used it for my brows, I can't then use it for my lips, so I hope that goes without saying. Okay, so we're gonna leave this to dry and I will come back with my finished face, and hopefully I should be able to rub it without rubbing my brows off. So yeah, I will be right back. Okay, so a while has gone by since I applied this product to my brows, and I feel like it's kind of set my brows, not crunchy, but at least they feel set. So I'm gonna touch, I feel like I've touched my brows and I can't see anything, so my hands are clean. So I'm gonna touch my brows like pretty hard. There's nothing on my brows. Oh my goodness. Can you see? And speaking of brows, how do you like my brows today? I did it without cleaning up. I'm so happy with myself. I didn't clean up with any concealer with this brow that you see, which I didn't think was possible in this day and age. Like, I can't remember the last time I did my brows like properly when I intended to, without cleaning my brows. Like, when I want to do my brows to just go to the high street or to go to the corner shop, that's fine. I don't need to clean up my brows. It's just whatever. But like, to actually take my time and do my brows without cleaning up, it hasn't happened in a long while. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Hey everybody, so I've just realized that the clip where I was actually just doing a paper test on my brows was also corrupted. So that's the second clip that I've lost today, and I don't know what's going on, but something funny is going on. I don't know what's going on with this SD card or this camera. Something's going on. But anyway, I just wanted to come back as future me and just to show you what happened when I tested the products that I've applied to my brows on a paper towel. That's all I wanted to do. So I'll take this towel over here. So can you see? There's absolutely, the only thing I can see is where my face has started getting oily. Can you see the brown? That's the only thing that I can see move. But in terms of like the shape of my brow coming off, nothing. So my brow is set for the day, which is excellent. I can touch my brows all I want and nothing will happen. So I absolutely love this trick. This is a product I will be using every day. Just something to keep in mind though, because the product is quite high in alcohol, I believe. I think that's probably what the setting agent is. You definitely want to make sure that you take care of your brows like you would any other part of your face. And I think if I'm going to apply this every day, like I think I am going to, I definitely will be going over my brows, which I have been doing recently actually, with some oil, just to make sure, or at least to apply a good layer of moisturizer to my brows, just to make sure the skin under there doesn't start getting dry or flaky or anything, because that's always a risk with high alcohol content in skincare or in any kind of cosmetic product. So yeah, so that's definitely something I'll be doing. I have been doing that lately actually, so I'm hoping that might help me grow my brows. I don't know, I'm on a brow journey right now, brow and lash journey. So anything brow or lash related I'm into. So yeah, I've been applying some oil to my brows and my lashes actually just in the past week or so, like a lockdown project, let's call it that. So let's see how whether or not it grows my brows back, I don't know. That's like really wishful thinking, judging by my track record and the fact that I've plucked my brows since I was a teenager, and I only stopped like maybe, I want to say 7-8 years ago, and nothing seems to be growing back. So yeah, I'm really wishing on a star with this. But anyway, yeah, just to round it off, paper test passed. The product is still firmly on my eyes, and my eyebrow is firmly on my face, which is great. I'm really happy with this little trick, this little hack here. And yeah, spread the word, share the video. If anybody you know has oily brows or just wants to make their cheap eyebrow pencil go a long way, if you have like a brow pencil that you love and you don't want to have to spend a lot of money on a brow pencil or brow product that promises to last long, and it's like £20-25, however much these high-end brow products are, you can definitely do this trick. So use any cheap eye pencil you want and go over the area with some lip coat and see if you like it, if you like the result. So yeah, it's really nice. It's set my brows and it's kept my brows in place. That's all I ever wanted in life, just to keep my brows looking nice. But anywho, if you like this video, if you've got any value from it, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Leave a comment down below, say hey if you feel like it, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more from me, if you want to see more hacks like this. Leave a comment, make your request down below. I will definitely add it to my rotation. So until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video.